Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry sauce from scratch. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I always have the one I make and then the store-bought one because I love both equally. So I always have both on my table. It's not Thanksgiving without both. So if you want to make it from scratch, I'm going to show you how to do that today. And what I love to do with my leftover cranberry sauce is make muffins with it the next day, and they are phenomenal. So let's get started on making our fresh cranberry sauce.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.